Officer was. Well, let's arrest.
Is this good police behavior? Is this good cop behavior? You are harassing a citizen of Nigeria.
Wait, excuse me. Who tell you that we are good cop? Who tell you that we are good cop? Officer was. Who are we? We are the bad cops. We shock you.
Okay, you are the bad cops.
Hello.
Let's go to the station. No problem. So we will learn something today. Let's go.
Hey, Oga, come calm down. Okay. I don't know say the verse like this. So you will fight like this. We're fighting with you. Say you don't know that police is your friend. All this thing we are doing now.
Is this friendly behavior? You are doing.
We are friendly. You say you not bring your hospital bill. That's what we are saying.
Behaving like a Yahoo boy and an armed robber mixed in one. And you are calling yourself a police officer.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Shame on you.
Sorry.
Let's go to your station.
We are not going. Oh yeah, give us something now. I didn't know go do officers.
We do something for weekend.
Show love now.
Jesus loves you. Carry that one, go.
Jesus love you.
Carry that one.
Okay, we go drink mineral.
Which one be Jesus love you?
Drink mineral. I start my business.
Which one be Jesus love you? What? Other way. This one say we na play with the place. Arrest him, dog. You will know that. You will know that officer. Okay. Very good. Oh yeah, Zaka. Yes. Other way. Damn now. The big. No. Oh yeah, Zaka. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, SP the call. Is this your area? We fit talk this thing. Hello, sir. Hold him there. Yeah, Oga. Yeah. Oga is sick. Go down. Where is the commandant? Sir. Okay. Bad cops, Abi. Stand him up for me. Shut up!
Sir.
Hold up! No, please, sir. That's family. I'm fine. Shut up!
So, what were you telling me about hospital bill? You were telling him something about hospital bill?
Okay, say that time.
Yes.
Sir, I was just asking whether you have collected antenatal care.
Antenatal care?
Yeah!
Deal with them very seriously. I'm coming.
Yes, sir!
Deal with him now.
Shut up! Come here! Stand here! Oh yeah, start the front jump. Sir, start it! Yeah!
Jump!
Up! Yeah! Down! Yeah! Up! Yeah! Down! Up! Down! Shut up! Down! You! Go down! Okay!
Come.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, no problem. So, which station you say on the work?
Sir,
which police station?
Okay, police station.
Which one?
That will come from?
Yes, yeah.
Alagbon. They transfer for party.
Panty have been Alagbon.
They transfer him for.
Just say una be real police officer.
Sir.
Oh yeah, where your ID card? Bring
Sir, actually, if my own applause, so I do affidavit. He will come and test it Saturday.
Oh, yeah, you don't lose.
Yeah.
Okay. Una not even be real police.
Sir.
Okay. Okay, no problem. You know what we are going to do? Strip them naked.
And
deal with them.
Sir. Take it. Sir, I be begging. Policeman. Strip them naked. Come out everything. Come on. Get ahead. Yeah. Go. That's good. Ejibe Zangaliwa. Zangaliwa. Ejibe school dance. Zangaliwa. Ejibe Zangaliwa. Zangaliwa. Adam Apo Zangaliwa. Mission Zangaliwa. Ejibe Zangaliwa. Police! Idiot! Bastard!